Great. What about your intestines dangling out the side of you?
I think it's gonna need some more.
Someone give me a stick.
Wants to
They're
stomp on its
applauding
head.
for us.
Oh, I opened its beak. Watch.
Stop, Jeremiah.
Ew.
That is so
Give me a
nice.
stick.
What if it just got up and started flying away?
Zombie duck. Maya, stop! Push it back so we can see his face there.
It's so pretty. One of God's creature that he gave to us. I think God shot it out of the sky. George.
Here, Maya.
One of
Maya, stop.
nasty creatures. Ooh yeah. Zoom in there, kid. We want to get a nice close picture of that. We'll have this memory with us forever. Oh, there's a hole in its beak. George.
Here, Jeremiah. Jeremiah, give me a stick.
Oh, that's nasty.
Get me a darn stick.
Okay, fine. Oh, there's blood right there. Ew. Which stick? The stick we used? Oh, it's wet. Oh, that's so gross.
Get a twig.
There are no twigs around. Here, just use this bad boy. Here you go. There you go, buddy. All yours to keep. Isn't it so cute? Oh, one of God's creatures.
What we have here is a nice little bird. Notice the intestines.
Oh.
Look at that. If you peel back the fur a little bit, I mean the feathers, look at that. Beautiful. This is his head. This is his head. See? His beak. Beak right here. More intestines. This is my favorite intestine. We're gonna have a decent burial. Hey. That's my shoe.
Oh.
Let's bring it to
Charlie?
Yeah.
We're gonna drop it in Charlie's door.